Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can download and install blockchain.com wallet app on your device. Blockchain.com is a cryptocurrency financial services company that will allow you to interact with dozens of cryptocurrencies on a platform used by over 30 million people. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the App Store or Play Store on your device. Now on the top search bar, type blockchain.com wallet app as shown on the screen. Then tap on the search button. Now on the results, you'll see multiple options, but you'll have to choose the blockchain.com app by Blockchain Luxembourg. Now, in order to install the app, all you'll have to do is tap on the install button and the app will start downloading on your device. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Finally, after the app is downloaded, you can directly open the app by tapping on the open button and you'll be led to the homepage of blockchain.com app. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.